Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drain pump in your LG washer, you will need a spring removal tool, pliers, small Phillips screwdriver, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Unthread the screw securing the right side of the control panel. Open the drawer and push down on the push tab and remove the detergent assembly. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the left side of the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the harness to the control panel. Unclip the drain hose, then unthread the 2 Phillips screws. Pull out the case. Unthread the screw underneath the drain pump cleanout. Insert the spring tool on either end of the spring and pull to remove the ring. Detach the boot seal from the front panel. Unthread the 6 screws on the front panel. Push the panel down to release it from the tab. Unplug the door lock from the harness. Lift the front panel up and away from the washer. Slide back the 3 tension clamps on the drain pipe, bellow hose, and inlet hose. Remove the drain pipe, bellow hose, and inlet hose from the drain pump. Unplug the wires and remove them from the pump. Unthread the 2 screws securing the pump. Depress the tab behind the pump and slide it toward the rear of the washer to remove it. To install the new drain pump, align and set the pump in the frame. Feed the drain tube through its designated hole. Then rethread the 2 screws to secure. Plug in the blue and white wires on the left side of the pump, and then connect the orange, yellow, and black wired plug on the right side. Attach the drain pipe, bellow hose, and inlet hose. Slide and secure the 3 tension clamps. Set the panel on the 3 tabs and plug in the harness. Push the panel upright and lock it in place with the tab. Rethread the 6 screws into the panel. Rethread the screw into the drain pump. Feed the drain hose through the case and place in the washer. Rethread the 2 Phillips screws and clip in the drain hose. Tuck the boot seal into the front panel. Tuck the ring into the seal starting at the top. Use the spring tool to extend the spring and tuck in both sides of the retaining ring into the seal's groove. Plug the wire harness back into the display board. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Rethread the 2 screws on the left side of the control panel. Align the detergent assembly and push in until it snaps into place. Rethread the screw on the right side of the control panel. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. Turn on the water supply. And your washer should be ready for use.